I wish I could sing. I wish I could sing and make the birds whisper. I wish I could dance and spin and twirl. I wish that when I danced, everyone would clap and see the beauty that hides within me. I wish I could dance and twirl. I wish I could sing, we are the world. I wish I could be somebody that could make a change. I wish my heart weren't so tight. I wish my heart did not freeze. I wish it weren't so cold and hidden behind the branches of the lostness in the breeze. I wish I could be, I wish I could just be. I wish I could free the morning from the isolation of the lost whispering birds. How long will you whisper? How long will you hide? How long will you cross the roads of the great divide? And I don't know where I'm walking to, and I don't know where I'm going to. I don't know who I'm speaking to, but I wish my words could be heard by someone true. I keep on walking, I keep on lying on my back, watching the sky fade between blue and indigo and orange, red, yellow, but never black. The sky is never black. It's never a void that I can't see through. There's always a star, at least somewhere, or a satellite, or some sort of spyware. You can always see beyond the atmosphere. But that does not mean that you should hold it with fear, but just know that it's there. If I could sing, I might be able to fly. If I could sing, someone might think. If I could dance, if I could run really fast, if I could speed past all that I pass, if I could cartwheel down every hill, if I could backflip with my wheel, it wouldn't change a thing. It wouldn't change me. It wouldn't change what people see. I don't wish to sing. I don't wish to dance. I don't wish to jump or prance or sing.